Good afternoon, everyone. War day number 875. Yes, 875 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the puzzles in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 17th, 2024. And I've here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And these 3 puzzles, the first one I've already solved. This one, the 3 Star Sudoku. The second one, the 4 Star Sudoku, will be number 8913. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 printed digits. 1 digit more than usual. The usually the 4 stars puzzle has 25. And this one has 1 digit more. It should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, question is it a 4 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there, 6, 6. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Well, we have a pair. We have 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left with 7. Could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 7 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Nope, we already have a 4. Overlooked. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9. Overlooked. Okay, 4, 2, 9. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. Okay. And now, need a 2 here, need a 1 here. 3, 6, 2. Alright. 4, 4, 4. 4, 8. What a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Yep. In this column, we need a 7. These 3 boxes can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in the middle column should be there. So I need a 7 here. Okay. 2, 6, 1. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and the 3, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. Not true, not true. We need a 7 here, we need a 7 there. I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Okay, 5. And need a 5 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 5 in more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7 then. Okay, now I can continue with the 7. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above from that row. Only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and the 9. Alright. How about the 5? Need a 5 here. How about these 3 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. Okay. 3, 5, 9. That means we need a 2 here. Yeah, 3, 5, 9. 4 missing numbers then. In this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and 2 in these two boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay, I cannot continue with 8 now. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, okay. How about 5, 5, need 5 here. Need a 4 here. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 3. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. So the 1 and 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 and 5 in this row. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left should be the 2. I marked this box with 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 here, so this box should be a 1 then. And that box should be a 5 then. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. 1 or 2, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. So these 3 missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be here. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. Alright. Then need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, first column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left with the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. We have all the ones, and all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Need a 2 here. 4, 5, and 4, 5, and 9. Come on. Thinking. 5. 3, 5, 9. Alright. Then, let me see. Need 2, need 3. 2, 4, 9. Here give me 9. Well, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4 then. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this row? For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. The only place left with 2 should be here then. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing here. Okay, 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Oh, we already have a 7. Correction. 2 and a 9. Yeah, we have an 8. So we need a 9 here. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Overlook this 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers? 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. We have a 4 here, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The 5, and then need a 6 here. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. Here, 2 and a 9, so we have a pair, the 2 and a 9. In this column, so the other 3 numbers should be 3, 4, and need a 5 here. 5, need a 5 here. 5 could be here, could be there then. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left with 5 should be here. 1 box left in this column for what the number, I believe 9. 9, yeah. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left with 9 should be here. 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in the first row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Okay. So the 5 and the 9 are left here. 5 and the 9. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 5 and the 9. We have here 3, 5, and a 9. We have a 3 here, so 5 and a 9 are left. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left here for the numbers 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then mark those 2 boxes here with a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so this box can be 5 no more. That box should be a 5. Yeah, we have a 2 and a 9, so the other 2 should be 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, so this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. Okay. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 6 and a 4. 6 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between only 2 places left. 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Yeah, the 6 and the 8 are left. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 to 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. It's not the 1 star, otherwise I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But we saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.